Hi there, welcome to Excel 60. Quick Microsoft Excel tips and tricks in 60 seconds or less.
Hi there. So now today we'll be looking at conditional formatting, right? And before I start my timer, I'm just going to explain the spreadsheet that we have so that we understand where we can use conditional formatting. So this is a simple income statement, right, for a personal household, someone's personal little income statement, and it's got a balance sheet over there. So at the top right here, we've got the person's income, their net salary, and that shows us the total income they make. And then we've got expenses at the bottom there. We've got fuel, clothing, phone payments, and all the expenses they have, and they add up to 3,900. So I'm sure you would agree with me that the surplus or shortfall that this person has is going to equal that total income minus the total expense, okay? And then that gives them a positive figure. So through conditional formatting, what we want is each time a positive figure appears there, we want it to appear in green. And if it's a negative figure, we want it to appear in red, okay? And we also want to apply the same on this side of the spreadsheet, okay? So for a spreadsheet like this, well, you don't use conditional formatting much, but when you got something as complex like this spreadsheet that I have here, okay, this has got conditional formatting all over the place, right? Where it's profit, it appears in green. Where it's loss, it appears in red, and then it's got different rules applied all over it. But then if you'd like to learn more about that, you might need to check out our Excel Skills Lab course. But then for the sake of this short video, let's talk about conditional formatting quickly, right? So what I'm going to do to this cell, I'm just going to go up there and click conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. If there's a figure in there that's greater than 0, right, I'm going to want it to light green with a dark green text. Click OK, and there you have it. But if the figure is less than 0, I want it to light red with a dark red text. You can also custom format if you want a different format. Okay, then I'll click OK. That means if I put, say, $2,000 there as an additional expense, that figure goes negative. It's red all on its own. And I can just paste the same right there. So much that if this guy's liabilities are more, that figure appears in red as well. So this is a simple example of conditional formatting. Thanks for watching.
If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. If you would like to learn more Excel tips and tricks, do visit our website, excelskills.com. That's skills with a Z. Do look out for our next video coming soon.